Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get soft pull pre-qualification of $5,000 line of credit. Yes, keep that in mind, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that I will take you on a tour of its application and I will tell you each and everything step by step. So please watch this video till the end. This video is not going to be a very long one, so yes, watch this video and then apply for this line of credit with peace of mind. It's soft pull pre-qualification. It means to see your pre-qualification, there is no effect on your credit score. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yes, right here is an opportunity in front of you. Yes, and this time is from Dell, one of the biggest companies in the world. Yes, they do give a line of credit or credit line, whatever you say, of $5,000. So keep that in mind, and it's soft pull pre-qualification. It means this will not impact your credit score, and they are actually mentioning it in bold letters right here. So keep that in mind. So I will take you on a tour that how you can fill this application, and remember it's just the last 4 digits of SSN. So it's of course soft pull pre-qualification, but keep that in mind when you actually apply for this. And after getting your pre-qualification offer, if you accept the offer, they will do a hard pull. Yes, they will do a hard pull if you accept the offer, so keep that in mind. So now, as they see that they actually claim that you can actually make monthly payments over time with no prepayment penalty and no annual fee. So of course there is no annual fee. You won't have to pay a single penny. I hate the credit cards and the lines of credit with annual fee. It's a waste of money. So yes, you are good to go. You won't have to pay a single penny when it comes to the annual fee. And remember, if you want to pay your balance in full, for example, you have bought like a computer, or you can say a laptop of $1,000, and you're making prepayments, or you're making payments every month, that is for example $1,000 or $500, but in any month you want to pay this whole balance in full, so you can pay it without any penalty. So you can just pay the remaining balance and you're good to go. Your credit limit or your line of credit limit will be actually filled out, and then you won't carry any balance on it. I always tell each and every one of you, never carry balance, but this is credit line, so of course you can use it and avail the opportunity to pay it every month. The second thing, they say that you can take advantage of recurring and special promotions available every day. Yes, you do have promotions, and I'm going to show you what sort of promotions they had, and you will have a better idea that how you can do that and what are the promotions that they actually are talking about. And the last one right here, they're saying you can up to 6% cash back in rewards when you enroll in Dell Rewards. So yes, you have to enroll in Dell Rewards. You won't have to pay a single penny in it. Of course, it's completely free, but you will get up to 6% cash back. That is like $6 on $100, and this is crazy. So yes, I'm going to take you on a tour of its rewards as well. Then we will come back to application and I will tell you that how you can fill it, right? So let's go there. So this is the Dell's rewards page, and I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can check it out by clicking on it. So let's see a couple of rewards. I'm not gonna stretch this video a lot, just want to give you an overview that how the reward looks like and what sort of offers they actually post if you have the line of credit from them. So right here they said that save an extra 5% on select PCs and Dell Electronics when you finance and use the code DPA5. So that's the first one. Of course, you can get 5% off. That's a cool one though. And then the again, that no interest if paid in full within 6 months on purchases of $299 and more. You remember that for they say that if you actually make the payment in full in 6 months, you won't have to pay a single penny. So if you actually buy something for $299 and more and you pay it in full, you won't have to pay a single penny on prepayment. And of course, there is no APR if you actually get something for $299 and more. So it's zero interest. You can actually avail it as zero interest 6 months financing, and this is an amazing opportunity. All you need to do, you need to just use your head and write here that of course if you're gonna have something for $699 and more, then you can get no interest for up to 12 months. Isn't it crazy, right? 12 months for not paying a single penny in interest is 0% financing. You can do that. So if you are actually looking to buy some holiday gifts, such as you are going to buy something for Christmas or New Year's, so you can definitely do that, and this is an amazing opportunity for a lot of people out there. The last one, I'm just gonna say that no interest if paid in full 12 months on 4K TVs. Of course you can do that. So if you want to avail this opportunity, open this web page, and right here you need to fill an application to actually get the rewards or enroll in rewards program. So I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can easily go there and register. Also remember that what we need to do now, we need to go back to the application and see how we can fill it. But remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please give this video a huge thumbs up so it motivates us to bring more great content just for you like this one. And I've also posted another business credit card, the previous video that I've just posted before this one. You can get $40,000 with no credit, so you can go and watch that video. And so let's go back and see how the application looks like. So right here, as you can see, the application is right here. All you need to do, you need to put your first name right here if you have your middle name, so you can just put right there, and then your last name, your suffix, your street address, your unit number, your city, your state, your zip code, and of course the last four of your social security number. Remember, if it's last four of your social security number, it means they won't do a hard pull. There are more applications on different financial institutions which actually require you to put your full SSN, but they also do a hard pull. So that myth that hey, only last four social security number is required, so it's a soft pull. No, it's not. You can actually get a soft pull with complete social security number as well. So please keep that in mind. This myth is old now and no one is actually following it. So yes, this is what about it. And right here, as you can see, that all you need to do, you need to click right here on check pre-qualification after filling all the information right here, and then they will give you the pre-qualification offer that you get approved for. But remember, it's just a pre-qualification. It's not guaranteed approval. They will do a hard pull right after that, and then they will tell you your final decision. So please don't rely on only pre-qualification. When it comes to pre-qualification, it's 80% confirmed that you're gonna get this credit line or credit card, but remember, still you are on risk for that 20%, so keep that in mind. It's going to be a hard pull after you accept their offer. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like this video. Till then, take care.